Good morning guys! I hope marami kayong natutunan sa mga previous discussion natin. So today, ang i-discuss natin ay ang steamer. Toastmaster steamer, model TSEZ5. Part identification. We have the exhaust sa taas na equipment. So dyan po lumalabas yung harmful byproduct ng combustion. Then we have the analog temperature display. We have the door latch para sa pag-open ng pintuan natin. Then we have the cavity door. We have two cavity door, up and down. We have the control panel, the compartment door, and we have the leg. Then sa loob na equipment, we have the side rack holder, and we have the rice pan. Then sa harapan na equipment, we have the drain. Then we have the control panel. Meron po tayong cook idle switch. Then we have the power guard para maiwasan po yung pagkasira ng rocker switch natin. Then we have the power switch. We have the low water indicator light. So iilaw po yan o maglilit po yan pagka ang tubig po natin sa loob ng tank is mababa. Then we have the ready indicator light. Then sa loob po ng compartment natin, we have the pilot. So siya po yung sinisindihan ng manual pag magsisimula po tayo ng pag-fire up na equipment. We have the drain bulb. We have the gas burner. Then we have the orifice and gas knob bulb. Opening procedure. First step is to turn on the ventilation system para mawala po lahat yung harmful byproduct ng combustion na naiiwan sa loob ng kusina o either maalis po yung mga natitirang fumes sa loob po ng kusina. Then step 2 is to open the water line bulb. Then check the LPG supply bulb. So siguraduhin po natin na naka-fully open yung ball bulb sa likod na equipment and the quick disconnect is properly connected. Then turn the equipment by pressing the power switch. Install the perforated pulse bottom tray. So verify po natin yung flowing ng water sa loob ng tangke. So make it sure po na tama yung pagkakalagay ng pulse bottom tray. Baka kasi mabaligtad. Then install the side rack. Then wait for the low water light to turn off. This signal bath is with minimum amount of water and ready for fire up. Then open the compartment door o buksan po natin yung pintuan. Then i-turn natin yung bulb counterclockwise para sa pilot position. Then i-press and hold po natin for at least 30 seconds. Then magsimula po tayo mag-ignite ng pilot natin using yung lighter. Then pag nag-hold na po yung pilot natin, so that is the time na i-turn na natin yung gas knob bulb sa on position. Then switch the rocker switch to cook mode. Loading the product. Bring rice dolly with rice food pan to rice steamer. Partially open the rice steamer door. So wag po natin i-fully open agad kasi possible na ma-expose tayo sa excessive steam. Then pag lumabas na yung steam, so that is the time na i-fully open na natin yung pintuan para makapaglagay na tayo ng product sa loob ng steamer. Then pag na-load na po yung products sa loob ng steamer, so isarado po natin ng marahan yung pintuan. Then magsimula po tayo ng cook time na 40 minutes. Note, do not open the steamer door during the cooking time to ensure the rice is cooked. Getting the product. Partially open the rice steamer door. Huwag po nating i-fully open kasi possible ma-expose tayo sa excessive steam. Then pag lumabas na yung steam, so that is the time na i-fully open natin yung pintuan para kunin yung produkto dun sa loob ng equipment. Pero huwag pong kakalimutan na gumamit ng safety gloves. Then carefully transfer the product into the rice dolly. Closing procedure. Turn off equipment by pressing the power button. Then allow equipment to cool down by opening the door. Then turn off the LPG supply. Then open the compartment door. Install drain pipe to facilitate draining. Then maglagay po tayo ng empty stock pot dun sa ilalim ng drain pan natin. Then slowly open the valve. So wag po nating biglain yung pag-open kasi possible magkaroon ng splattered at mapaso yung gumagamit. Carefully remove the side rack and rack holder. Then, remove also the false bottom tray. Then, dalhin po natin sa boxing para linisin. Then, don't forget to scrub the water sensor para maiwasan natin yung pag-overflow ng tubig at the same time yung pag-fire up ng equipment ng walang tubig. Then after that, linisin po natin yung burner compartment using towel. Then tanggalin po natin yung drain pipe extension gamit po ang safety gloves. Then close the compartment. Sanitize the steamer. Lahat po ng detachable parts ng steamer so kailangan po nating i-sanitize. So kung ano po yung standard na ginagamit ng store, yun po yung gawin natin. Wipe sanitized door, gasket, and exterior of steamer using clean towel. Then leave the cavity door open to air dry and to prolong the lifespan of gasket. Troubleshooting guide. No power. Possible cause, power supply is off, circuit breaker trip, or either unit unplugged into the electrical outlet. Solution is turn on the power supply, plug in unit to the electrical outlet, o either reset circuit breaker. Kung wala pa rin pong nangyari after na magawa niyo yung troubleshooting, so tawag na po kay provider. No power, pilot light, not light. So possible cause, gas hose not connected, LPG supply valve closed, or either no LPG supply. So first, i-check po natin kung sufficient pa ba yung gas supply natin by checking the gas gauge natin kung nandun pa tayo sa standard natin na 11 to 14 water column. Kung mababa na po yung gas pressure, magpalit po tayo ng LPG tank. Or i-check natin yung gas hose natin kung properly connected siya sa quick disconnect. Low water indicator lighted, water not flowing into the valve. So possible cause is closed water line valve, no water supply, water line hose is bended, dirty or clogged water sensor, defective water sensor, or either incorrect installation of false bottom tray. So i-check po natin kung sufficient ba yung supply ng tubig natin o either nakabukas yung ball valve para sa tubig. O either baka po nakabend yung hose natin, so i-check po natin muna yan. So we need also to check the water sensor, baka meron siyang lime deposit. Kaya hindi niya ma-read yung water level. Ready indicator lighted but not firing, pilot flame present. So possible cause is insufficient yung LPG supply natin. So change lang po tayo ng LPG tank. Continuous burner firing, possible cause is water is overflowing due to defective valve. So itawag na po kay service provider para ma-check yung equipment natin. One burner not firing, pilot flame outage, rice not cooked within cooking time, or either slow recovery. So possible cause is insufficient yung supply ng gas. So kindly check the gas gauge natin kung nasa standard na 11 to 14 water column. Kung mababa na yung pressure, so we need to replace the LPG tank.